Okay. Up on the board is our question. It's a hard question. It's a senior question. You guys are doing senior work. So the first thing I'm going to do is give you some time to come up with your own individual answer. Now you need to know you are going to be asked to speak about this answer. Okay? So start to formulate it in words. Don't leave it as something fuzzy in your brain. You have got 1 minute of thinking time. Go. Okay, back to the topic. I would now like you to work effectively in pairs, but you guys there can go as a 3 and 3 at the back there, okay? And I would like you to talk to the person you're working with about your answer, hopefully give your example if you've got one, talk it through, okay? Off you go. We need to know the general class thinking, because I'm not the expert. I'm the teacher, but I'm not the expert. Work out the difference. What you guys think on any topic is just as important as what I think. And we have such a broad range of people in this class with a broad range of backgrounds. You guys all know myths that I've never heard of before, which is really cool. So we need to be aware that we can learn so much from each other. And you can learn so much from each other. It's not just what you learn from me. That will make class really limited. So, each pair needs to send at least one representative up to the board to write your answers up there. Okay? Now, if your answer is the same as someone's up there, remember that doesn't matter. Sometimes, you know, when you're doing a thing, you've got the same answer as someone else. Oh no, I have to come up with another answer. If it's the same, that doesn't matter. It probably means it's really important about the subject of myth. So if you end up writing something that's similar, that's no problem. Okay? So gradually come up to the board. Right, can I just tell the people back here as we're gradually getting to be able to read more of them, I want you to come up with 2 questions from what you read on the board. And I would like you to write these in your books. Okay? Glorification thing we talked about on Friday. How they thought and how they viewed the world. How society thought they act and how they should be behaving. So if you can't read some of those back there. How much they know about nature, such as volcanoes. To show others that the people they worship were powerful and strong, they are showing off almost. That is completely true about myth. Myths tell us society is inquisitive. That's what I want you to be. We've got that word explain popping up a few times. That's starting to permeate this class, isn't it? Are there any others you can't read? Okay, so a bit more thinking time to come up with 2 questions that for you come out of our investigation so far into myths. And share your questions with the people around you, those pairs or 3s who are working in the core, and the people to the other side. See if they've got similar types of questions to you. Okay. My 2 questions. People rely on artificial beliefs. Does that mean that gods are artificial beliefs? We don't know. Were they artificial to them? Did anyone have anything about that? Oh, good. Excellent. The other thing I found quite interesting, myths tell us a society is inquisitive and they know things but they cannot explain them. And that difference between knowing stuff, obviously you know it rains. You can't not know it rains. You can't not know that it goes from day to night and back again. But that next step in explaining them, that's kind of what we're looking at, isn't it? Myths.